So I'm going to demonstrate the Gradebook reporting setup. You're in your Gradebook view and you're in the tab that says Grade Setup. Select Semester 1 and then the arrow. Let's say we were at total points originally and we want to go to category weights. You need to make sure that your categories are listed over here in the categories section, and if you want to add one you can click this plus button and that allows you to create a new category. If you have a performance category and you can set the default points that a performance is normally worth, that can always be changed when you create an assignment. Don't worry about that. I'm going to cancel that because I don't need it. Once you have your categories in this menu on the left, then you will click Add Category in this space to select the categories that are going to be used to calculate your grades. And you can check all the ones that you're going to use all at the same time. You'll click OK, and then to get these weights to change, you'll click on the weight itself and it'll become an editable box. You can change that to 30. You can change the next one to 30. And you'll notice that when I do that, because that's adding up to more than 100, these percentages are changing. So I'll move these back to where they were. 25, 26. And I have my 15% for my final exam, and then the other 85% I've divided up between these three other categories. When you are done, simply click Save in the right hand corner, and you'll notice that we did that for Semester 1. Now I'm going to click Copy, Semester 1 only, and it takes me to this screen, and I'm going to check these two boxes which are for Quarter 1 and Quarter 2. I'll say Next, I'll say Finish, and it has put those exact same category weights into my Quarter 1 and Quarter 2. I can also then click Copy again. Now I want the whole class copied, and I'm going to select my second hour because that class is graded in the same way. Click Next and click Finish. If you have classes where the grades are calculated differently from class to class, that's not as useful for you, but for all those classes that are graded using the same basic formulation, you can use that to copy from one class to another. So for many of us, we'll only have to do the work of creating this table once, and then we can just use that copy button first to copy just the first semester into our quarters on our first class, and then once our first class is set up, copy the entire class and use that to apply to all of your classes. If you need extra support on that, let me know, and you can find me and I can find you. Have a great weekend.